Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair from WavyMy hair. And as you can already tell, this hair is gorgeous straight out of the box. This is their Vpart Afro curly wig in 18 inches. There was also a wire in the Vpart area, so I really did like that. It made the wig just a lot more secure. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin installing the hair. I do already have my hair braided up. I freshly washed and conditioned it, and I just put the wig in place. It does have two clips in the front, so after I lined it up where I wanted it, I just put the clips in place to hold the wig down. And I really like my hair, especially curly hair, to frame the front of my face. So I just took a razor and cut the hair. This also helps blend your natural hair with it because my hair in the front is a little short. So this just helps everything blend together seamlessly. Then I wanted to add a few layers to the hair, so I just took that razor again and just pulled out random sections and just cut layers into it. And what I love doing with Vpart and Upart wigs is taking a couple pieces from like the perimeter of the hair and pulling it out. That way when it's time to do my leave out, I just blend it in with this little piece, and it just makes everything look so natural because your hair is literally like linked to the hair from the wig, which y'all going to see later on. But this is just something that I love doing whenever I'm wearing Vparts. And then next, y'all already know my little curly hair routine. I go in with some water, and then I use moisturizer and then foam and lotion to define the curls. And I pretty much just do this all over my head. I also like to use a dimming brush to define the curls even more. So now that I'm done defining the wig, I'm going to just start taking my leave out and pretty much doing those same steps, wetting my hair, using some moisturizer and some foaming lotion to define the curls. And now I'm moving on to the top of my leave out, and as you guys can see, I'm doing a middle part, and then I'm going to be using those sections of hair from the wig that I sectioned off, and I'm going to be putting it together with my hair and like finger coiling it together, and this just makes everything look so natural. I love doing this process whenever I have Vpart wigs. Now this step is definitely optional, but I just like doing it because the roots of my hair can get like really puffy and I get a lot of shrinkage. So I just like to take my blow dryer on a low heat setting and I just stretch out my hair, and I just kind of pull on my hair to stretch it out, and then just take the blow dryer and just start from the root and then work my way down to the bottom to stretch my hair out. And now that the hair is all dry, I'm just going through it and just kind of fluffing the hair out, breaking the curls up, making it look bigger. I really like big, messy hair, so I'm just kind of going through and just teasing all of the hair. And here is the finished look, y'all. I just think that this hair is so pretty, and y'all know summer is coming up, so this is definitely about to be one of my go-tos. I love how well these curls match with my curl pattern. It just looks so natural. And again, this hair is from WavyMy Hair, and this is their Vpart Afro curly wig in 18 inches. And I didn't get any tangles, and this hair was super soft and easy to work with, so I definitely recommend checking it out. I'll have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.